Hello, I am going to explain to you how we do IELTS Writing Task 2, Introductions. This essay is discuss and give your opinion. We are going to get a 5 or a 6 band. We will go slowly and make everything clear and simple. This style of introduction does not use paraphrasing. See my video on paraphrasing versus topic sentence to understand why. This style is also academic, so examiners will see that you can write academically. You can also use this style at university. This style works great for the general IELTS writing too. So introductions discuss and give your opinion. We will learn how to read the question, understand the question, make a plan, use the introduction to organize the essay, write an easy and simple topic sentence, write a perfect thesis, and make a checklist for future essays. So this is your question card. This is the statement, and these are the instructions. There's not really a question on this one. This is more of an instruction and instruction. So the statement is, some people believe that university is necessary, while others believe that learning a trade is better. Now the instructions say, discuss both views and give your own opinion. This will be important for later. Provide relevant examples. So relevant just means they're examples about this topic. And write at least 250 words. That means the minimum number of words is 250. You can write more, but stay between 250 and 270. There are no marks for more words. Now look at this word here, trade. This means like an electrician or a plumber. So it's a job you don't need a university degree for. Now we're going to circle the key words. In the exam, you have this piece of paper. Take your pen and circle the key words. Because during the writing exam, you're going to go back and check to make sure you're writing about the right things. And here we've circled university, necessary, and trade. These are the statement words you need to talk about. So these are like the main topics, these two things. So the question asks to discuss 3 points. Is university necessary? Is a trade better? And then give our point of view. Those are the 3 points we need to discuss. So let's do that. Let's look at the essay structure first. On the exam, write the structure on a piece of paper before you write the introduction. This plan will organize your essay. The structure, I'll show you what this means. Starts with the introduction, which we will do today. Then has paragraph 1, discuss whether university is necessary in life or not. Then the essay has paragraph 2, discuss the reasons why a trade is better. There's our keywords. And then paragraph 3 is our own view, and we're going to say a trade is better. It actually doesn't matter if you say a trade is better or university is necessary. That's okay, choose one. And then we have a conclusion. So you can make this plan on a piece of paper before you write the introduction. This plan will be part of the introduction. This will help us organize how we write the introduction. Let me show you how that's done. So there's our structure, and we have to discuss both views and give our opinion. Now, these are the band descriptors. So this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to do these things that they ask us to do. So there's two things we can do on this introduction that will get the marks for these two things. And actually today, we're going to learn how to do these two things very well, and you could actually get more than a 5. So the first thing it says, may not write in paragraphs, or paragraphing may be inadequate. That means not enough. Now, key word here is paragraphs. They want you to write in paragraphs, and with our plan, we've organized our paragraphs. So we're going to talk about 1, 2, and 3, right? And then addresses the task only partially. The format may be inappropriate in places. Okay, so this means the task is this. And you have many types of essays with different topics that you can talk about this. Okay? Now, this says part. Does the task only part? We're going to do the whole task, so actually we can get better than a 5. And this will be better than a 5 because we have 1, 2, and 3, and they do both views, view 1, view 2, and then it does our own opinion. So there's our organization of our essay, and we can do better than a 5 on these. Okay. So we've seen why we will write this introduction based on a plan, and it will set the structure of our essay, and that makes 100% sure you will get your marks. So here is the essay structure and the introduction structure in detail. We need to do two things in the introduction. We write a topic sentence and write a thesis. We're going to write these now, and I'll explain what they mean. So let's remember what our question is. Some people believe that university is necessary, while others believe that learning a trade is better. Those are our key words. So the essay is about a university or a trade, and the topic sentence will be about the same thing. The topic sentence is going to be about this topic. We will use a simple sentence. That's a subject-verb-object. See my video explaining the point. Actually, we're going to use a compound subject, which means 2 of these, but that's okay. It will be easy to write. And this will be our topic sentence. So, topic sentence, university and trade. And for me, I feel both are good options. Actually, I like both of these things. You could do a trade or you could do a university. They have good sides. So I'll talk about them in the topic sentence. And the first thing I'm going to do is talk about university graduate. A university graduate, so you finish university, has many job options, comma, and someone in the trades can also make good money. So here we have university here, and then we have trade here. So the topic sentence talks about our 2 main points. Now the thesis statement is just your point of view or your opinion. Don't really worry what this means, it's just your opinion. Let's do one together. I think that university is good is basically a thesis statement. That's what you think, it's your opinion. After you say the opinion, you explain why you think that. In an essay, we say this in a different way. We do not mention I, we just talk about the essay. You don't need to worry why, it's just the way it's done. Let's take a look at how we do it. So here's the thesis statement. Let's look at the question card again. University and trade. Why do I keep looking at these 2 words so many times? Because we have to make sure we talk about them because they discuss both points. So I always go back and check. University is necessary, discuss. Trade is better, discuss. Now, remember, we need to do this. discuss both points, and give our opinion. And here's our plan that we did at the start. So no problem, when we write the thesis, we're going to say what we're going to do. So let's take a look. This essay will discuss the value of university, that's view 1, and a trade, that's paragraph 2, and say that a trade is best. That's going to be paragraph 3. Okay, so paragraph 1, value of university. Paragraph 2 is a trade. Paragraph 3, trade is best. We did exactly what the exam asked us to do. So let's put them together. There's our topic sentence, and there's our thesis. And it reads like this. A university graduate has many job options, and someone in the trades can also make good money. This essay will discuss the value of university and a trade and say that trade is best. This is actually, if you see this, we have this and here, comma and, so we have a subject, we have a verb, and we have an object. Then we have and, then we have subject, someone in the trades, we have a verb, make, and we have an object, good money. That's called a compound sentence. Compound means two things together. So actually that is a sentence type that you can get over 6 for. So that's good if you can do this, but it's actually just 2 simple sentences. Really easy way for you to boost your mark. So the thesis is organizing our essay. It's the same. View 1, view 2, view 3. View 1, view 2, view 3. Why do we need to do this, and why is this important? Because the examiner can't see this. You don't hand this in. You don't show this to the examiner. When the examiner sees this, he or she knows you're going to talk about this in one paragraph, this in one paragraph, this in one paragraph, and this in one paragraph. And this, the thesis is, remember, it's your opinion, and it's also what the essay will do. The essay will discuss these things. That's all. Okay? So that should make it very easy for you. Any question you get on the exam, the thesis is your opinion and what the essay will do. So there's our topic sentence and thesis, and there's our essay structure. So that makes life easy for us. Now here are your key points to practice for another essay question. Circle the key words, write the key points of the topic, write a topic sentence that is related to your topic, write a thesis that says your point of view, use this essay will, not I will, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Comment below with your introduction. I will look at it for you. Like the video, subscribe for more in these series, and hit the notification bell because I'm making more videos for you. It's been a pleasure teaching you. Go on to the next video that comes up, and go to ispenglish.com for my IELTS course where you can get my help. Thank you very much.